Hi, my name is Elvi, and this is the first video out of a series I'm doing of my own method for solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The Elvi-Method. Yeah. Named after the creator himself. But what is the Elvi-Method and why should you learn it? The Elvi-Method is something I started making around 2 years ago. For the purpose of making algorithms. I was really into making algorithms by then, but I struggled a lot with making algorithms for corners, so I wanted to practice, I guess, something for making algorithms only for edges, because that's what I like doing. Why should you learn Elvi-Method? Well, why shouldn't you is the better question. When learning a new method, you pick up a lot of new skills for different cases with other methods as well. For example, I recently got the same time as my current PB with CFOP, and the alg that I got was a last layer case. It was actually this last layer case that I got that I wouldn't have known unless I had known Elvi-Method. There's also a lot of second layer F2L tricks I picked up whilst doing Elvi-Method. So, how does the method work, you might ask? Well, you start by solving the corners, just like a 2x2. So here, for example, I might start with red. And then, oh, that was orange. And I do Ortega for 2x2. Then I choose one side to do the first 4 edges on. So I can do white here, insert green, insert blue, and orange, and then red. Then we do centers, like so, and then we're left with last 8 edges, which can either be 2-looked or 4-looked. So the way to 2-look last 8 edges is to first place all the second layer edges where they belong. They don't need to be flipped or oriented correctly. They just need to be in the right position. So the algorithm for this case would be this. And then once you've done that, the last algorithm would be to flip all edges and do PLL on top. So the algorithm for this case would be this. And the way to 4-look last 8 edges is to first place 2 second layer edges correctly. We already have one here. And this is easy to place. I'm going to do this first. And then, once we have 2, place the last 2 as well. Then, flip all the pieces. And then do PLL. This video has just been an introduction to the method. The next 2 videos will be about learning 4-look, last 8 edges, and learning the beginning part of the method as well. And after that, we will go into more depth to using the algorithms more smart, I guess, before needing to learn to 2-look last 8 edges. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing. It's even free. That's an insanely good price. Who even knows what I'll post next? Well, you know I'll post more Elvi-Method videos at least. And I even do Twitch. I might be streaming right now. Twitch.tv/Elvi75. Thanks and see you in next video.